Hello everyone, today I'll discuss basic concepts that are very important for C and all programming languages. C is a general-purpose programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in 1972. It is simple, efficient, and flexible. Therefore, it is widely used as a programming language. Learning a programming language follows the same steps as learning English, as shown in this diagram. First, learn letters and use them to form meaningful words. Then, combine words into sentences and sentences into paragraphs. Programming languages are learned in the same way. We begin with the alphabet, digits, and special symbols. Next, we learn constants, variables, and keywords. These are used to form instructions. Finally, instructions are combined to create a complete program. If discussing constants, variables, and keywords, a constant is a value that does not change. A variable is a value that can change. Keywords are reserved words with predefined meanings. A statement formed using constants, variables, and keywords is called an instruction. A program is a collection of instructions that solves a problem. Now, discuss variable storage. Variables store data in computer memory. Every calculation result is stored in memory. Memory consists of many cells called memory locations. Each memory location can hold only one value at a time. Like a hand can hold only one item, a memory location stores only one value. Each memory location is given a name called a variable for easy access. In the diagram, the value 3 is stored in memory location X. When a new value 5 is assigned to X, it is stored in the same location. Let's discuss the type of constant. A constant is a fixed value that does not change during program execution and is used to store unchanged data, which has two major categories. Primary constants. C provides three basic constants, integer, real, and character, to store simple data values, making programs more readable and reliable. Secondary constants. Derived and user-defined data types in C include arrays, pointers, structures, unions, and enums, as shown in diagram. We'll discuss it in detail later. Another important thing is variable naming in C, which we will discuss here, and it is followed by every high-level programming language. Variable. A named memory location used to store data. The value stored in a variable can change during program execution. Examples: X, age, salary. Each memory location is given a unique name called a variable name, making it easy to store, retrieve, and modify data. As we discussed earlier, a variable is a named memory location used to store data. Its value can change during program execution. Variables working. Every variable has a name, identifier, a data type, a memory location, and a value. You can think of a variable as a box with a name that stores a value, as shown in the diagram. Declaration syntax. Data type then variable underscore name, for example, int age. This declaration tells the compiler about the variable's type and its name. See in part 2. Initialization means assigning an initial value to a variable. Syntax. Int age equals 20. Here, we assign the value 20 to the age variable. If we talk about data type, there are 5 data types, i.e., int, stores whole numbers, float, stores decimal numbers, double, stores high-precision decimal numbers, char, stores a single character, bool, stores Boolean values, true or false. As an example, shown in the diagram. Let's discuss part 3, where you'll see an example program that uses variables. A variable can hold only one value at a time. When a new value is assigned, the old value is overridden. Variables are important because they make programs flexible. They allow us to store data, modify it, and use it whenever needed. Let's discuss part 3, variable memory illustration, declaration and initialization, as shown in the diagram. Value 3 is stored at memory address 1000, named X. When 5 is assigned to X, the new value is stored in the same location. The old value 3 is overridden by 5. Rules for naming variables in C. Must start with an alphabet or underscore. Can contain letters, digits, and underscores. Maximum 31 characters recommended. Spaces and commas are not allowed. No special symbols except underscore. C is case sensitive. Age are different. Cannot be a keyword. At the end, let's discuss keywords. C has 32 keywords. Keywords cannot be used as variable names because their meanings are fixed. Some compilers may allow it, but it is not recommended. Keywords are also called reserved words. They are the building blocks of the C language and should be remembered.